Hey, beautiful souls! Have you ever looked closely at your hair and wondered why it feels so rough and dry? Let's take a look. See how the hair shaft is frayed and the cuticle is all messed up? That, my friends, is the damage we're talking about, from heat styling, coloring, even the environment. But don't worry, because today, we're diving deep into the world of shampoos that will bring your damaged hair back to life. Choosing the right shampoo can make all the difference. It's not just about getting your hair clean, it's about giving it the nourishment it needs to heal and thrive. If you're looking for a shampoo that truly understands the assignment, look no further than the K18 Peptide Prep pH Maintenance Shampoo. This, my friends, is the Beyoncé of hair care. It just slays. What makes it so special? Well, let's talk about peptides. These tiny powerhouses are like little builders, repairing and strengthening your hair from the inside out. And the pH maintenance part? That's crucial for creating the perfect environment for your hair to heal and shine. This shampoo is like a tall drink of water for your hair, restoring its natural balance and leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and incredibly healthy. Trust me, your hair will be thanking you for this one. It's a bit of an investment, but consider it a down payment on your hair's future. You're worth it, and so is your hair. Got coarse, unruly hair that's been through the ringer? Honey, Briogio's Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Plus Repair Shampoo is about to become your new best friend. This shampoo is like a tall glass of green juice for your hair, packed with nutrients and ready to revive even the most parched strands. We're talking intense moisture here, the kind that penetrates each strand and leaves your hair feeling soft, manageable, and full of life. And don't even get me started on the scent. It's like a tropical vacation in a bottle. If your hair is feeling a little rough around the edges, this shampoo is here to smooth things over and bring back that healthy bounce. Say goodbye to frizz, and hello to your most hydrated hair yet. For my medium to thick-haired beauties out there, allow me to introduce you to the lap of luxury that is Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo. This shampoo is like that effortlessly chic friend who always looks amazing. It elevates everything. We're talking about a luxurious formula that cleanses gently while infusing your hair with shine and vitality. But it's not just about looks, honey. This shampoo is also a powerhouse when it comes to preventing future damage. It's like a bodyguard for your hair, protecting it from the elements and keeping it looking its absolute best. If you're ready to give your hair the royal treatment, this shampoo is your golden ticket. Get ready to shine from within. Prevention is key, my friends, and that's where Divine's Melu shampoo comes in. This gentle giant is like that wise friend who always gives the best advice. It's all about taking care of yourself before you need to be rescued. This shampoo is perfect for all hair types, but it's especially beneficial for those prone to breakage. It's formulated with gentle cleansers that won't strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it feeling soft, manageable, and oh so healthy. Think of it as a daily dose of TLC for your hair, keeping it strong, resilient, and ready to take on the world. Because a little prevention goes a long way, darling. Listen, I know not everyone has a champagne budget for hair care, and that's okay, because Saltaire Recover and Restore Damage Repair Shampoo is here to prove that you don't have to break the bank to have amazing hair. This shampoo is like that friend who always knows where to find the best deals. It's all about maximum impact with minimal expense. Don't let the affordable price tag fool you, though. This shampoo is packed with powerful ingredients that work hard to repair damage and restore your hair's health. It's like a magic potion for your hair, transforming it from dull and lifeless to shiny and full of life. Who says you can't have it all? Calling all my curly-haired queens, I know you feel me on this one. Finding the right shampoo for our precious curls can feel like an Olympic sport. But fret no more, because Design Essentials Agave and Lavender, moisturizing and detangling hair bath, is here to change the game. This shampoo is like that friend who gets you. It understands the unique needs of curly and coily hair. It's all about hydration, definition, and keeping those curls popping. This shampoo is like a tall drink of water for your thirsty curls, quenching their thirst and leaving them feeling soft, manageable, and full of life. And can we talk about the scent? Agave and lavender? It's like a spa day for your senses. Get ready to embrace your best curls yet. If your hair is feeling a little fragile, honey, it's time to give it some extra TLC. And that's where Oribe Hair Alchemy Resilience Shampoo comes in. This shampoo is like a workout buddy for your hair, helping it get stronger and more resilient with each wash. We're talking about a formula that's specifically designed to prevent breakage and strengthen weak, brittle strands. It's like a shield for your hair, protecting it from all the things that can cause damage, from heat styling to environmental stressors. If you're ready to say goodbye to breakage and hello to stronger, healthier hair, this shampoo is your secret weapon. Okay, let's be real, sometimes you just gotta treat yourself. And when it comes to hair care, Kérastase Première Bain Decalifiant Reparateur Repairing Shampoo is definitely a splurge-worthy indulgence. This shampoo is like the first-class ticket of hair care. It's an experience. We're talking about a luxurious formula that's designed to combat the damaging effects of hard water, leaving your hair feeling soft, smooth, and incredibly healthy. It's like a spa treatment in a bottle, honey. If you're ready to give your hair the ultimate pampering session, this shampoo is your golden ticket. Your hair will thank you for it. Who doesn't love a shampoo that smells amazing? R plus Co on a cloud. Baobab Oil Repair. Shampoo is like a dream come true. It repairs damage and leaves your hair smelling heavenly. We're talking about a gentle formula that's packed with nourishing ingredients like baobab oil to repair and protect your hair from future damage. It's like a warm hug for your hair, honey. If you're looking for a shampoo that's both effective and indulgent, this one is a must-try. Your hair and your senses will thank you. Split ends got you down? Don't worry, darling. Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Shampoo is here to save the day. This shampoo is like a miracle worker for split ends, helping to seal them up and prevent further damage. We're talking about a powerful formula that's designed to strengthen and protect your hair, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and incredibly healthy. It's like glue for your hair, honey, but in a good way. If you're ready to say goodbye to split ends and hello to healthier, more manageable hair, this shampoo is your new secret weapon. So there you have it, my loves, your guide to the best shampoos for damaged hair. Remember, choosing the right shampoo is crucial for restoring your hair's health and vitality. It's not just about cleansing, it's about nourishing and protecting your hair from future damage. But remember, everyone's hair is unique. What works wonders for one person might not be the best fit for another. That's why it's always a good idea to consult with your trusted hairstylist to create a personalized hair care routine that caters to your specific needs. They're the experts after all. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more hair care tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful.